He was a stranger. He walked in looking for danger. When he stares at you, he can chain you down and make you fall in love. Heaven knows it. They made him out of fire and roses, with an attitude, but he's sweet enough to put him on your tongue. He can be everything you've ever dreamed. Ooh, Mr. Electric Blue, I wanna dance like you. How did you get so cool? And oh, you got electric soul. You let the good times roll, Mr. Electric Blue. They say that he fell from space or some supernatural place, Mr. Electric Blue. I know I believe in you. He's a man's man, a good, hard-working American, but he ain't the guy you'd wanna fight. He'll make you bite the dirt. And he said, watch the way you talk to me if you want to keep your two front teeth. Ooh, Mr. Electric Blue, I wanna dance like you. How did you get so cool? And oh, you got electric soul. You let the good times roll, Mr. Electric Blue. They say that he fell from space, from a supernatural place, Mr. Electric Blue. I believe